This is my 2012 Victory High Ball. It's been a while since I updated it, so here you go. I've powder coated a few things since the last time I made a video. Most notably would probably be the wheels. Did the wheels in red, had the spokes powder coated white. I think it really pops the bike. Had a few other things powder coated. Had the passenger foot pegs powder coated. Had the fork caps powder coated. A few other things here and there. Still not done. Still have a few other things I want to powder coat. But this is what it looks like today. I think it's coming together pretty good. Got a lot of compliments on the wheels. Really makes the bike pop. Can't do a video without starting it. There you go. One thing I'm going to do here rather quickly is I have red exhaust tape. I'm going to red tape the exhaust. That'll be the next thing. A couple things more powder coated. There you go, 2012 Victory High Ball.